Hello, this is Chris with Unique Camping and Marine. We're going to walk you through all of the steps in how to successfully deep clean your tank using Unique's Clean It. We recommend that you do this twice a year at least, and if you're a full-timer, about once every 3 to 4 months. So we first recommend that you dump the black water holding tank, then rinse the black tank thoroughly to remove any residual waste or paper or previous holding tank treatments. When rinsing the black water holding tank with the black valve in the closed position, do so with caution to avoid overflowing the black water holding tank and toilet, which would make a big mess inside the RV. Close the black tank. Fill the black tank completely with fresh water. RV black water holding tanks come in many different shapes and sizes, and many of them have ledges which allow for the black water holding tank to rest firmly against the frame rails of the RV. When you're using Clean It, it's important to make sure that you fill the black water holding tank as full as you possibly can. This will allow for Clean It to clean off any waste and debris which might be built up on these ledges. And it's also a good idea to do this as a regularly scheduled maintenance so you can avoid having buildup on these ledges. Clean It is a product which is meant for preventative maintenance, sort of like an oil change on a car. You don't need to do it like every time that you fill up with gas, but it's certainly something that we recommend doing at the start of the camping season and at the end of the camping season, right before you're putting the RV into storage. For full-timers out there, we recommend using Clean It once every 3 to 4 months as a preventative measure again, in order to make sure that you don't have any lingering or residual waste which might have been caught on any of the ledges or around any of the discharge ports inside the black water holding tank. Shake the bottle of Clean It very well. Before adding Clean It to the black water holding tank, be sure and shake it thoroughly for 15 to 30 seconds. Doing so will allow all of the bacteria and enzymes to be mixed really well together and will keep them from settling, as they're often settled at the bottom of the bottle when in shipping. Pour the entire bottle of Clean It into the black tank through the toilet. Clean It is meant to be used exclusively in black water holding tanks. For instructions on how to deep clean a gray water holding tank, check out this article linked in the description below that goes to uniquecampingmarine.com/clean. And it will walk you through all of the instructions necessary to deep clean the gray water holding tank on your RV. Let it work inside the holding tank for at least 48 to 72 hours. In order to achieve the best results from using Clean It in the black water holding tank, you will want to allow it to sit for as much time as possible. Time is the real magic when it comes to Clean It, because it allows the bacteria and enzymes to become fully active, replicate, and break down as much waste and paper that it possibly can inside the holding tank. Using Clean It in the black water holding tank while stationary will work just as effectively as if you were driving around with it. Many of the other products out on the market require you to drive around in the RV in order to slosh the solution around. When it comes to Clean It, you do not need to do this. It will work just as effectively when stationary as it will when driving around. For full-timers, when it comes to using Clean It, sometimes you're not able to let it sit for as long as possible with a full tank of water. If this is the case, we recommend filling the black water holding tank as full as you are comfortable with, and then continuing to use the black water holding tank and toilet with the Clean It product inside of it. Once it is full, allow it to sit for as much time as you possibly can, and then dump the black water holding tank. Dump the black water holding tank, and then rinse the black water holding tank thoroughly. After you have dumped the contents of the holding tank where the Clean It has done its job, rinse the tank out thoroughly for 20 to 30 minutes using either the onboard tank rinsing system or by using one of the wands, which you can rinse the tank out through the toilet. Clean It is a number 3 in the Unique method, in that it is meant to be used as regular maintenance. So you'll want to use Clean It at the start of the camping season And then once again at the close of the camping season before you put your RV into storage. Again, this is a product meant for regular maintenance, not for emergencies. Well, that about wraps it up. Let us know if you have any follow-up questions and leave them down in the comments section. We can add them then to the FAQ section of the product page. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.